In our last video, we left you with our arrival in Edmonton from Dawson City in the Yukon. If you've been following us, you'll be familiar with the continuing saga of our RV tire that was caused by our accident in Billings, Montana. I'll link that video at the end in case you haven't seen it. To recap, by the time we had arrived in Dawson City, the left front tire of the RV had to be replaced because it was so badly worn. By the time we arrived back in Edmonton 2 weeks later, the replacement tire was also badly worn and had to be replaced. We knew there was something wrong with the alignment of that tire, so we brought the RV to Spruceland Truck and Trailer Service Center in Spruce Grove near Edmonton. We'll show you the outcome of that in a minute, but first, here's what we were up to for the 3 weeks that we stayed in Edmonton. We stayed at the Diamond Grove RV Campground in Spruce Grove. This campground offers larger than average campsites with full hookup and plenty of space for your truck if you're towing. The sites are clean and well maintained. Adjacent to the campground is a 10-acre enclosed off-leash dog park, which was perfect for Henry. He went from 2 walks a day to 4. I'm out with Henry on his morning walk and just caught this beautiful sunrise. Henry's just sitting here being a good boy. This is behind our campsite. There's this huge farm field. Very nice. Campsite. We are at Home Depot in Spruce Grove, and Kevin has a little project for the bedroom closet. It's where the washer dryer used to be. Now it's just a big open space. We have a 3-drawer plastic container in there, but it's not ideal because he has an overflow of clothing, so we need to build shelves in there. So we're just here, we just got our stain, and we also picked up the wood that we need. So here's the supplies that we got. These will be the shelves right here, this piece, and and we need glue, yeah. Okay, so we got glue, and we think we have everything we need to make these shelves. So there are the shelves. Kevin spent all day today building these. They look fantastic. Lots of room. And nothing is going to budge because the doors will be holding everything in. A trip to Edmonton would not be complete without visiting the West Edmonton Mall, North America's largest shopping mall. At 5.3 million square feet, the West Edmonton Mall is home to over 800 stores, a water park, a skating rink, 2 hotels, over 100 restaurants, and much, much more. Over 30 million people visit the mall every year.
Going to work out.
All right, here
Hi,
we
everyone.
go.
One of the biggest challenges that we've had since we started this is maintaining some sort of routine around our fitness and health. As we age, of course, we need to stay on top of that, and it's easy to fall into a routine where you're not working out. This is such an active lifestyle to begin with. There are days where you're just too tired to work out, but then you've got to force yourself. So Lynn and I, we both decided to get memberships at Planet Fitness, and it allows us to travel throughout North America at any Planet Fitness And it's been pretty good. This particular club is really nice. We worked out when we were in Chicago. So we try to keep it going. We try to go at least 3 to 4 times a week, and then in between either bike or I'll go for a jog or something like that. So, yeah, so it's a beautiful day to work out.
Here we go.
Here we go.
Aaron and I are about to get the turkey on for Thanksgiving at his place. I'm going to pass on the way I cook my turkey. So here we go. So our RV was just looked at for the independent suspension. We got this done, trailer center in Spruce Grove. Very good people here. So this is a result of that accident in Billings, Montana. It did throw the alignment out.
It had dented the cap. Didn't notice that the first time. This is a replacement tire. And they say the arm of the axle has been bent. They've been able to get it into alignment as best they can.
Oh, that's better.
But the owner, Al, who's been great with us, said that we're going to have to check it regularly. It'll get us back home. But that axle will need to be replaced because it is bent. So
yeah,
we will be calling Moride and making arrangements for that.
Okay. It's Monday, October 21st, 2024, and we are now leaving the Edmonton area. We have been here for quite a few weeks. We spent about a week in St. Albert, and then we went up to the Yukon with our son and his girlfriend for 2 weeks, and then we made our way back here. We are making our way down to Goshen, Indiana, because we have to have our independent suspension repaired as a result of the accident in Billings, Montana. We need to get that done. We need to get some of the paint redone. And
one of the slides,
the kitchen slide
is damaged.
Was damaged. We've noticed, so we need to have that looked at. And then there were a couple of other things that we need to have looked at. So that's going to be at least a week of repair. So on the way down to Goshen, we figured that we can take our time. Our appointment's in about a month. So we will spend 3 days in Drumheller, Alberta. That's our first stop today. And for those who don't know, Drumheller is a location where many dinosaur bones have been discovered, and a museum has been built. The landscape is quite different from what I understand, so we'll be taking footage of that. Then we're going to head on to Regina. We have tickets for the football game, the Rough Riders. They are playing who?
Calgary.
So that should be good. And then after that, I don't know. I don't think we've booked anything, but we will.
Yes. Yeah.
So that's the plan for today.